Hi, my smarties. Today we're going to keep practicing measuring, but today we're going to do heavy and light. That's when we talk about weight. This is this word up here, weight. And this is how heavy a person or object is. This blue thing right here is called a scale. Can you say scale? Great. You've probably seen a scale before in a kitchen or a bathroom to see how much you weigh. You've gotten on a scale before at the doctor's office. But a scale like this we see sometimes in a kitchen, or scientists and mathematicians use them. And when we look here, there's a picture of an elephant and there's a picture of a mouse. And when we want to talk about weight, we think of the words heavy and light. Which animal is heavy? Heavy means weighs more. Think about it. Which animal would weigh more, the mouse or the elephant? I know that's an easy one. That's an elephant. I could not pick up an elephant unless it was a stuffed animal or a toy. This animal, the elephant, is heavy. Can you say heavy? Great job. Here is our mouse. Our mouse is light. Can you say light? Great work. So we know the words now heavy and light. And you'll notice that the heavy animal is going down. And it's called an incline. It goes down on one side and it's up on the other. So the elephant goes down because anything that's heavy goes to the ground very quickly. Let's look at our next slide. Here's our scale again, and it shows heavy on one side and light on the other side. You can see that heavy is down towards the ground because we know that that is going to go down faster. So I've got two pictures here. I have a slide and a flower, and I'm going to use what I know about heavy and light. All right, well, I'm going to think, is a flower heavier or lighter than a slide? Because we're comparing these two objects. Can I pick a flower up or can I pick a slide up? Well, unless it's a toy slide, I definitely cannot pick it up. So I'm going to move this picture of a flower to lighter. That would go up, kind of like our seesaw at on our playground when it goes up and down. It kind of looks like our scale. And I'm going to move the word and the picture slide to the heavier side. So it's going to go down faster because I cannot pick that up. Let's take a look at our next one. A piece of cake or a fire truck. Not a toy fire truck, but a real fire truck. Which picture do you think is heavier? You're right. It's the fire truck. Great work. That would go down on the scale much faster. Which picture is lighter? The piece of cake. Super job. Now I want you to practice.